Did you just buy a trailer or a motorhome and you do not know what accessories to buy? No worries, we make it easy for you here at JTS RV Super Center. When you pick up your new RV, the last thing you want is to realize you're missing the essentials. That's where the Camco Day of Delivery accessory kits come in, available now at JTS RV Super Center. These kits are designed to get you on the road faster, safer, and fully prepared from day one. Camco has taken the guesswork out of RV setup by bundling the must-have essentials into 3 convenient packages: the Getaway, the Traveler, and the Trailblazer. Each kit is built around 4 key categories every RVer needs: freshwater, sanitation, electrical, and leveling and stabilization. So instead of piecing everything together yourself, you get a complete, ready-to-go solution. If you're going on a short trip and just need a few items, go with the Getaway kit. It gives you those core essentials at a great value. The Traveler kit is a solid mid-tier option, perfect for most RV owners. But if you want the ultimate setup, the Trailblazer kit steps things up with higher-end components and upgraded gear, including premium Rhino sewer hoses designed for durability and performance. It's built for RVers who want the best right out of the gate. Overall, what really sets these kits apart is quality. Camco designed them to avoid the common problem of cheap starter kits that fail after your first trip. Instead, you're getting trusted name brand components that are built to last. And best of all, you save time, avoid confusion, and hit the road with confidence. At JTS RV Super Center, we make your RV experience easy from day one. Ask our parts department about the Camco accessory kits and find the right fit for your camping style. Because the best adventures don't start in the store, they start at the campsite. Come visit us at JTS RV Super Center, where we treat customers like family since 1963.